TSA PreCheck versus Global Entry versus Clear. Avoid this $189 scam. Are you tired of feeling like a herd of cattle in airport security lines? Ever find yourself uncomfortably shoeless, holding up your sagging pants while chugging that last sip of water before the TSA confiscates your bottle? We've all been there. Today, we're counting down 7 key things about TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, and Clear, the holy trinity of line-skipping travel programs, so you can pick the right one and avoid wasting $189 on what might just be a scam. Spoiler alert, one of these is wildly expensive for what it does. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button for more travel hacks and tips. It really helps the channel and your fellow travelers. Alright, let's fast track straight into it. Here are the 7 things you need to know, from number 7 down to number 1. 7. The basics. What are these programs anyway? TSA PreCheck is the VIP lane for US domestic flyers. Once TSA deems you a low-risk traveler, you get access to a special security line where you keep shoes, belt, jacket, laptop, and liquids in place. No awkward airport striptease, and usually just a quick metal detector instead of the full-body scanner. In short, it's the express lane for security. Fast, simple, and far more dignified. Global Entry is PreCheck's globe-trotting upgrade run by US Customs and Border Protection. It speeds up re-entry from international trips by letting you use kiosks to scan your passport, fingerprints, or face, then head straight to baggage claim. No long chats with border officers. Best part, it includes TSA PreCheck, so you get expedited treatment both when leaving and re-entering the US. After a 10-hour flight, skipping a 300-person immigration line feels priceless. Clear Plus, run by a private company, is the wild card. At a Clear kiosk, your fingerprints or eyes are scanned, and a staff member escorts you past the TSA ID check line. With PreCheck, they take you to the front of that lane. Without it, you go to the regular screening line, meaning you still remove shoes and unpack electronics. Clear works best as a complement to PreCheck. Many describe it as feeling like a celebrity, being escorted ahead of the crowd, though at a steep price. As of 2024, TSA PreCheck has over 20 million members, with more than 40 million eligible when including global entry and related programs. Clear claims 22 million members, though many likely came through free promotions. If you like skipping lines and keeping your shoes on, these programs are worth knowing. And hey, while you're here, hit that like button and subscribe. We promise it'll be faster than a TSA conveyor belt on a good day. 6. Costs. Why does Clear cost 3 times more? When it comes to cost, these programs range from bargain to, "That's more than my flight." TSA PreCheck is the cheapest, $78 for 5 years, down from $85 in 2022, or about $15.60 a year, less than 2 airport coffees. Kids 12 and under can join you free, and teens 13 to 17 can use it too if their boarding pass shows PreCheck. It's a low-cost way to save time and skip the security strip-down. Global Entry costs $120 for 5 years, about $24 a year. The higher price covers both expedited re-entry into the US from abroad and TSA PreCheck benefits for domestic travel. It's like paying for the deluxe combo of airport convenience. Many travel credit cards, like Chase Sapphire and Amex Platinum, reimburse the fee, so frequent travelers often get it free. Clear Plus is the splurge, $189 a year, with some reports of $209. That's 10 times more per year than PreCheck and 8 times more than Global Entry's annualized cost. Operated by a private company, Clear uses biometric ID checks to skip the TSA ID line. It doesn't speed up X-rays or remove the need for shoe laptop removal unless paired with PreCheck. For many, it saves only a few minutes, if that, and sometimes the Clear line is longer. Discounts or free access are available through certain airlines and credit cards, but full price is hard to justify unless you travel constantly through busy hubs. In short, PreCheck is the budget-friendly essential, Global Entry is worth it for international travelers, and Clear is a luxury add-on. And here's a warning, apply for PreCheck or Global Entry only through official TSA or DHS sites. Some fake services charge extra processing fees, tricking people into paying $140 plus for a $78 application. Better to put that money toward your next trip's margarita. 5. Availability. Where can you use them? Availability matters as much as benefits. TSA PreCheck is offered at over 250 U.S. airports, currently 259 and counting, covering nearly all major hubs and many smaller ones. More than 100 airlines participate, from big names like American, Delta, and United to smaller carriers and some international flights departing the U.S. In short, you'll find a PreCheck lane almost everywhere you fly domestically, making it the clear winner in coverage. Global entry works at every major U.S. international airport with customs facilities, over 60 nationwide, and some pre-clearance locations abroad. If the airport has U.S. customs, odds are it has global entry kiosks. It's available at top entry points like JFK, LAX, Miami, and Chicago, and also supports certain land and sea crossings through Century and Nexus. Its value is for re-entering the U.S., not departing or clearing foreign airports. Unlike PreCheck, each traveler, including infants, needs their own membership to use the kiosk. Clear is far more limited, with lanes at just over 50 airports, mostly large hubs like Atlanta, LAX, JFK, SFO, and Dulles. Many smaller or mid-sized airports lack Clear entirely, and in some cases, it's only available in certain terminals. Clear also partners with stadiums and arenas for faster event entry, plus some office buildings and even a few theme parks, but its core use remains at airports. If your regular departure point doesn't have Clear, the $189 fee is hard to justify. Performance-wise, TSA reports 99% of PreCheck travelers wait under 10 minutes nationwide. Clear's advantage varies. Sometimes its lane is shorter, other times it backs up, even surpassing PreCheck waits. Bottom line, PreCheck is consistently fast. Global entry is essential for frequent international flyers, and Clear is only worth it if your home airport supports it and you often face long security ID lines. 4. How to get in. Application process, and pain points. TSA PreCheck has a quick, simple sign-up. Apply online, answer basic questions, pay the fee, and book a short in-person appointment, often at an airport, enrollment center, or even certain Staples stores. The agent checks your ID, asks a couple of questions, and takes fingerprints. Many finish in 10 minutes, with approval in days or a couple of weeks. Once you get your known traveler number, KTN, add it to your airline profiles, so TSA Pre shows on your boarding pass. Some Clear kiosks can now process PreCheck enrollment on the spot. Global entry requires more steps. Apply through the DHS Trusted Traveler site, fill out a detailed form, and pay $120 upfront. Wait for conditional approval, which can take days to months. Then schedule an interview with a CBP officer. Slots can be scarce. A smart workaround is enrollment on arrival, completing the interview right after landing in the US. The interview is short, confirm details, take fingerprints/photo, and review program rules. Once approved, you get an ID card, needed only for land crossings, and your membership includes TSA PreCheck. Clear is the fastest to join. Sign up online or at a Clear airport kiosk, show ID, scan fingerprints and irises, and you're active immediately. No background check or appointment. You must be a U.S. citizen or legal resident, age 18 plus, but kids can accompany you free. Clear often offers free trials at airports. Unlike TSA and Global Entry, Clear doesn't vet your travel risk. It simply verifies identity. Renewals, PreCheck, $70 for 5 years, usually online. Global Entry, renew every 5 years, sometimes with another interview. Clear, annual auto-renew at $189 unless canceled, and refunds aren't guaranteed. Bottom line, PreCheck is quick to get, Global Entry takes effort but offers more, and Clear is instant but pricier and less thorough. 3. At the airport, how each program actually works. Time to save. Trying to guess. A PreCheck turns security into the airport fast lane. A TSA agent verifies your PreCheck boarding pass and ID, and you breeze through a usually short line. 99% of users wait under 10 minutes, often less than 5. You keep your shoes, belt, jacket, laptop, and liquids in place, avoiding the post-scan scramble to get dressed. At peak times, lines can grow, but waits rarely exceed 10 minutes. If the regular line is shorter, a rare event, you can still use it. Global Entry works on your return from abroad. After a long flight, instead of joining hundreds in the passport queue, you head to a kiosk, scan your passport or face, verify fingerprints, answer a few questions, and get a receipt for a quick exit. Many travelers go from plane to curb in under 15 minutes versus 45 plus in the main line. Technical issues or kiosk crowds are rare but possible. Even then, you usually skip the bulk of the wait. It's most valuable when you're tired and just want to get home. Clear skips the TSA ID check. At a Clear kiosk, a rep scans your boarding pass and biometrics, then escorts you to the screening lane. PreCheck if you have it, standard if not. It's useful when ID lines are long, saving 5 to 10 minutes or more. But at quieter times, the gain is minimal, and sometimes Clear's own line backs up. Without PreCheck, you still remove shoes and unpack electronics. Recent TSA changes may soon require Clear members to show ID again, potentially reducing its main benefit. In short, PreCheck streamlines security, global entry speeds re-entry, and Clear fast-tracks ID checks. Combining all three maximizes convenience, but for most travelers, PreCheck or Global Entry with PreCheck included delivers most of the benefit. 2. Pros and cons. Quick comparison of the three. TSA PreCheck. Pros: cheap, under $20 per year, available at 250 plus airports, and a huge time saver. You keep shoes, belt, jacket, laptop, and liquids in place, making security faster and less stressful, especially with kids or lots of carry-ons. It's valid for 5 years, easy to apply for, and often free with certain credit cards. Cons: only works at US airports. During peak times, lines can still form, and occasionally, TSA may exclude you for extra screening, limited to US citizens and permanent residents. Global Entry. Pros: includes all PreCheck benefits plus expedited US immigration, often cutting re-entry waits from 45 plus minutes to under 15. Valid for 5 years and works in some other countries through reciprocal agreements. Great value for international travelers, especially with credit card fee credits. Cons: more effort to apply, longer forms, $120 upfront, and possible months-long waits for interviews. Each traveler, even kids, needs their own membership. Only speeds re-entry to the US, not foreign departures. Clear. Pros: bypasses TSA ID check, saving significant time at busy hubs. Uses biometrics for quick access and can feel VIP, especially when escorted to the lane. Works for some non-US citizens. Is quick to enroll and also useful at stadiums and events. Discounts or free access available via certain airlines and credit cards. Cons: expensive, yard $189 per year, limited to 50 airports, and doesn't replace PreCheck. Without it, you still remove shoes and unpack electronics. Benefits vary by airport, and sometimes the Clear line is as long as or longer than regular lines. Occasional technical or staffing issues, plus increasing TSA ID checks, may reduce its main advantage. Auto-renews with poor refund policies if you forget to cancel. Bottom line, PreCheck is the best value for US flyers. Global Entry is ideal for international travelers. And Clear only makes sense if it's free discounted and you regularly face long ID lines. Number 1. The verdict. What should you get? And avoid the $189 trap. If you mostly fly within the US, TSA PreCheck is the obvious first choice. At $78 for 5 years, it works out to about $15 a year, less than a couple of airport lattes, and the payoff is huge. TSA says 99% of PreCheck passengers get through security in under 10 minutes, often closer to 5. You keep your shoes, belt, and jacket on, your laptop and liquids stay packed, and you avoid the frantic bin shuffle. With over 250 airports and 100 plus airlines participating, you can use it almost anywhere you fly domestically. Whether you travel every week or just once a year, it's one of the best travel upgrades for the price. If you travel internationally at least once a year, Global Entry is worth the upgrade. At $120 for 5 years, it's only $42 more than PreCheck over the same period. But it adds a major perk: expedited customs when you return to the US. After a long-haul flight, instead of joining a massive immigration line, you head straight to a kiosk, scan your passport or face, answer a few quick questions, and you're done, often in under 15 minutes. That extra $42 is paid back the first time you skip a 45-minute customs queue. Global entry also includes PreCheck, so you get domestic and international benefits in one package. The only real downsides are the more involved application and the interview, which can be hard to schedule. Fortunately, Enrollment on Arrival lets you complete the interview after landing at select US airports. For most people who travel abroad even occasionally, it's the best overall value. Many regret buying PreCheck first, only to realize they needed both. Global entry avoids that mistake. Now, about Clear. This is where the "avoid this $189 scam" warning applies. Clear isn't fraudulent, it's a legitimate service, but at $189 a year, it's the priciest of the three by far. Clear uses biometric scans to verify your identity, letting you skip the TSA ID check line. That's it. It doesn't give you PreCheck's perks, so if you don't have PreCheck, you're still stuck in the regular screening line, removing shoes and unpacking laptops. When paired with PreCheck, Clear might save a few minutes, turning a 5-minute wait into 2. But at many airports, the gain is negligible, and sometimes the PreCheck lane is faster. Clear is most useful for frequent flyers who pass through busy hubs at peak hours, or for travelers who can get it free or discounted through certain airlines or premium credit cards. Delta, United, and Amex Platinum all offer some form of benefit. That said, Clear's advantage is shrinking. More travelers have signed up, and Clear lanes can back up, especially if understaffed. In some airports, Clear members cutting into PreCheck lanes have slowed things down. Plus, TSA has begun requiring random ID checks for Clear users, which undercuts its main selling point. Some travel experts now call Clear a waste of airport real estate, and many frequent flyers have stopped using it, even when it's free, because the benefit isn't consistent. Who should consider Clear? Weekly or near-weekly travelers through major hubs with long ID lines. People who get Clear free or heavily discounted via a card or airline status. Non-US residents traveling domestically who can't get PreCheck. For everyone else, it's optional. Paying $189 a year for a marginal time savings rarely makes sense if you already have PreCheck. The bottom line, fly domestically, get TSA PreCheck. Travel internationally, get global entry. It includes PreCheck and saves you at customs. Only add Clear if it's free, or you consistently face long lines that it can actually bypass. Avoid spending $189 unless you know it will save you time often. For most travelers, that money is better spent on something you'll enjoy on your trip, like a nice meal, rather than shaving 3 minutes off security. Air travel is stressful enough. A little upfront effort and a small fee for these trusted traveler programs can save you tons of time and headache. No more sprinting half-dressed to your gate or waiting forever after a long flight. Trust us, once you've experienced a 5-minute security check or a walk-right-out customs clearance, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. So choose the program that fits your travel style and fly through airports like a pro. And before you pack your bags and go, here's our final call to action. Subscribe to our channel for more tips to upgrade your travel game. Safe travels, and see you in the fast lane.